Hey, everyone. All right, let me send this to the group. Let me send this to the other group. AS has made a nice recovery here and came back above the swing zone, but now it's in the middle, so we'll see what happens. NQ's still low. That's how it thinks it should be focused. And sometimes it's hard to see price, or it looks like this actually looks bigger today, which is nice. Maybe actually not. It may just be because I don't have the other chart over there. So currently I am running the NQ day setup, the natural gas setup, and gold. So gold could take a trade. If it does, it's going to be in the next 30 minutes. Actually, no, it's probably not going to take a trade today because it needs a confirmation candle, and this didn't get one. And now this, unless this closes, and these are 45-minute candles. Unless this, at 9:45, unless this closes down. It didn't make any low. You know what I just thought about? Something else I kind of just figured out. Oh, we'll see. You guys can hear me, right? I hope everyone had a good weekend. I'm also testing out some other stuff. I really actually like that FL, but I might change the sizing. Let me see, 5,000. So I have some setups, like some stock setup too, that I'm testing. Oh, they're about to do a vaccine mandate for airplanes. Ooh. Can you guys see my resolution fine? Something, YouTube is saying something. My resolution, which is not optimal. Alright, to figure out. You guys can hear me, right? Make sure. So no trades taken overnight. I'm not in any trades right now. To open, it is a bank holiday, so it could be a little slower today. It looks like Alright, so again, I have nothing. I'm not in any trades right now. It doesn't look like gold's going to take a trade, so I might just turn that off. That's only 9 to 10 each day. So I could just stretch this out. My swing zones. that's just ES and NQ. We'll see. The market opens in 2 minutes. So it looks like the market wants to push higher. Again, this NASDAQ setup doesn't take a trade until 10:30. So this is until 10:30. This isn't until 10:30. I don't have R2Y up, but if R2Y continued moving up, that would be a long at the open. I guess I could put it on real quick, just for the fuck of it. But R2Y is also a, oh yeah, it's a 30-minute setup, but it's about to take a trade at the open because this will be the confirmation candle. So I don't mind it. We'll see what happens. It looks like ES and NQ want to move higher anyway, so I'm not against it. So let me minimize this though. Put my chart trader on. 1 more minute, the market opens. Alright, so now I'm going to have to make this small again since I have another chart. Even though honestly, this, I could minimize NQ and natural gas. And so it's not a market holiday. It's only a bank holiday. All right, R2Y is in a trade. You guys can see this. I'll make it in this ES. All right, so we're in this long of the R2Y. Hey Jen. Oh good, you guys can hear me. Alright, so we see R2Y is moving up here, 275, 285, if you can see this. I'm trying to make it bigger because I know sometimes it's harder to see. Sometimes I feel like R2Y leads the way for ES, which is helpful. Also have another chart down here. See, yeah, looks good. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I gotta get check. Oh, the whole market's, well, except for Tesla, everything's red. So I closed out gold because it wouldn't have taken a trade anyway. I'm watching ES here. You can see NQ's coming into the zone too. Ooh, ES is pushing. Here we go. We're in this in the other group. In the manual group. I'm not going to give R2Y a lot of room. I'm like not a huge fan anymore. I'm probably going to move my stop here, honestly. But NQ and ES are moving nicely, so I'm surprised R2Y still isn't out there like it was before. I could have easily taken that, whatever, 200, 285. I have my tea, it's nice and hot. Sometimes I wonder about certain things. Oh, which one is that? Oh, see, they're all going short. Oh yeah, this is great. Great RTY. I wasn't going to turn RTY on today. Like, I had it off. The volume's pretty low. But ES and NQ still look fine on the higher time frames. The lights in green today is Tesla. I saw something about they might be coming out with cell phones that are like solar powered. That's cool. Alright, I'm gonna let this take me out here if this hits because I don't care that much about RDY. ES and NQ are pushing. I like this NQ too. I was gonna do that. This is the exact one I was just gonna get in. Oh, I forgot it's more expensive. Let me see if I can change this around to like 15.50 or something.
Order filled.
Alright, well, R2R came back to, whatever. Ah, so it took this, that's good. But I wanted, like, so many more. I'm going to move this up even further because if this comes back down again, I don't really want this. Even though it was funny that I noticed last week that RTY does this a lot where it will come back and retest the zone and then it will move higher. Yeah, I might just get out of this RTY.
Order build.
I'm just not a fan of this. Whatever that was, like a $200 loss. Alright, I'm going to pull up NQ and natural gas. Here we go. ES and NQ are moving for this for my swings. TP1's about to hit for ES. TP1 hit for NQ. Here we go. These are moving. That's what I like to see. About to hit TP2 on NQ, which is 15. I can stretch this back out now because and then TP3 is 25, so we're pretty close. TP1 is 89 for ES. Alright. TP2 is TP3 is about to hit on NQ here. There we go. Still waiting on TP1 for ES, but it's making its way. No, NQ is pretty strong here. Oh, you mean what? Like the 17 and the 25 area? It doesn't mean it's just going to go straight back down. And you can see ES is moving with it, so it's not like it has something else that's going to bring it back down. Like, if anything, it'd probably come back down to 14,800 and bounce, but that's not that far away. So obviously you take profit as you go. Because we got in at 80, what was my alert? I got long in Q at 82. And so I just need to things are kind of turning green now. Here we go. Here we go. ES is about to hit TP1. And so this is the zone I give my group every day, these swing zones, every morning at 8 a.m. They get this information. So, and then they get the alerts when I actually take the trade out of the zone. I'm excited to see what NQ does on this 20-minute today. And natural gas. We'll see. I think the best day for natural gas is like, I think I said it was Thursday. All right, here's TP1 on ES. 1 point away. Yeah.
Order canceled.
What was the canceled order?
Order filled.
Alright, well that works. Alright, so we're all out of NQ on the swing. And TP1 hit for ES. With not having like the 9:30 runs, the open is a lot slower on this call. The market's really going green now. I like it. I like it. Oh, you know what I was going to do? Shoot. So NQ and natural gas won't take a trade till 10:30. So really nothing until 10:30. I'm just gonna hang out and watch some other stuff. I'm gonna put some. I actually opened my TD today, so I'm going to put some. Look at these flags. It's like I wasn't even moving. Oh, so slow.
Order filled.
I'm bored, so I might as well do something else, right? All right, maybe I'll cut it here and then I'll come back on at 10:30 as it gets closer to this natural gas and NQ trades. I think with the banks closed and it's a holiday in Canada and the US that it's just a little slower. So I'm just going to play around here for a bit. And this one's actually moving now. All right, so I'll come back on at 10:30 as it gets closer to
Order filled.
to the to an actual trade being taken, because
Order filled.
this is kind of boring. So, all right, I'll be back around 10:30, guys. Talk to you then. Bye.